I was thinking that, is it true that those people really said those good things about me? Naughty is like, everyone is naughty, every child is naughty. I thought I played myself in the film. I remember them and I'm like, I was so small at that time and I really did that. Darshil, this is the king shot of the film. We were actually gonna plan that with tickets we were gonna give tissue papers free because, especially for that song. Like every child is like, I'll give this chocolate, you'll do this for me na. Bam bam bole na baba dole, jo jhoot bole usi ko kha le. Hi, this is Darshil Sapari and you're watching BollywoodHungama.com.
We have with us today the wonder boy Darshil Sapari, whose second film in fact, after Tare Zameen Par, Bum Bum Bole is releasing shortly. Darshil, great pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, first of all.
Thanks.
In fact, I've been wanting to kind of interview you for a long time since before the release of Tare Zameen Par. I think finally I meet up with you. It's been a long time since Tare Zameen Par.
Yeah.
So how does it feel?
It feels great. Like I'm coming up with my second movie and I'm super excited about it because I've worked equally hard and I've got to learn many new things shooting with this film. I'm like so excited. Like I'm nervous also and I'm excited at the same time. So you just can't guess what I'm passing through.
3 चक्कर काटेगा तो इतना कमाएगा. अंदर जा तू.
Stop!
नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
पिनाकी गोला. Chatvi.
You got the Best Actors Award for Tare Zameen Par. People say that you Critics Award, and people say that you deserve the Best Actor in every sense of the word. How does it feel that it's such a young age when such kind of compliments come your way?
Actually, first when I heard, I did not understand them because I was damn small that time. I was around in the 4th or the 5th or something. So then at evening or something, when my dad used to explain that to me, I was thinking that, is it true that those people really said those good things about me? I liked it. I liked it very much.
ये क्या है ईशान? सब स्पेलिंग गलत है तुम्हारे. अभी कल ही हम लोगों ने किया है. कॉन्सेंट्रेट बेटा, कॉन्सेंट्रेट. बकवास बंद करो और स्पेलिंग ठीक करो.
And I believe in the Filmfare Awards, I think Shah Rukh Khan kind of just put you on his shoulders and all, right? How was that feeling?
It was a nice movement. It was very exciting. I did not know what was I going through. I was like, I'm just above the ground. I did not know. Then after that, I realized, oh God, I was so happy.
Now it's been, I think, almost 3 years now, and Tare Zameen Par is referred to as a classic and all now. That people, when they watch it on television and all, each and every scene, I think, is really nice, in fact.
Yeah.
And you were very, very naughty in the film.
Naughty is like, everyone is naughty, every child is naughty. I thought I played myself in the film.
Your mom in the film, she always said that you are a brat, in fact, and
Yeah, that's true.
always, whenever you do, I think you'll be doing hundreds of films, but whenever you do, whatever you do, you'll always be kind of asked that, how do you look back at Tare Zameen Par? Does it add a bit of a pressure in you?
No, it's not pressure. It gets me into a nostalgic thing. I remember all those times. Still, even like at night during when I sleep, I remember those times, like the night shifts I had, the crying scenes, the glycerine. So all those experiences, like I remember them, and I'm like, I was so small at that time, and I really did that.
I think the making of Tare Zameen Par was outstanding, and I still remember for the Ma song, the way Amir kind of narrated to you that how you have to kind of against that wall in the toilet,
Yeah.
that you have to cry, and the way he kind of showed everything to you. But his eyes were moist while he was explaining stuff to you.
Yeah.
How do you look back at those experiences?
I still remember the line he just said that Darshil, this is the king shot of the film. If you get this right in one take or something, it'll be fantastic because people will really remember their old times who had grown up in boarding schools.
Right.
And I looked up to it and I did it.
He's saying it very simply, but I think the millions and millions of people, they love that song and they still love that song and they still cry on watching that. I think almost everybody cried on that song.
We were actually going to plan that with tickets we were going to give tissue papers free because especially for that song.
उनसे मैं ये कहता नहीं पर मैं सहम जाता हूँ माँ.
The kind of bond that you shared with Amir, I think, was really special. I still remember even for the DVD launch of...
Yeah.
In fact, I was present over there at your school, in fact, where it took place. Yeah, I was there, and when Amir saw you and he was like, oh, Darshil, come here. So the kind of bond that you share with him is really special.
Yeah, it's very special to me. Actually, I did not know that I would be going so much as a friendship, he's been like my guru on the sets. He's been advising me on all the scenes and all that really gets me into some other theme.
Now, Bum Bum Bole is releasing, and that is the catchline of your song in Tare Zameen Par. Bum Bum Bole, in fact. So, what exactly are you doing in Bum Bum Bole? We've seen the promos, and I think your director is a very important name, Priyadarshan. He's a master director in his own way.
He lived up to my expectations, like, because he was, in all the ways, he was protective. I'd like to narrate an incident. I got cold because there was this one day we had a little hectic schedule and it was very cold. We were shooting a lot of cold this thing. I was like really sick. It was not possible for me to come on sets next day. So he gave me a medicine from Singapore that night that he used to give his own children. I got cured in one night. And I woke up next morning, I'm like, I'm free. Okay, let's go to the show.
It's a nice story that you're having. It's a nice, cute story, and you're having this young girl along with yourself. She's your sister. She's playing your sister, right? Zia. Her name is Zia.
Yeah, Zia.
Okay, so how was the experience of working with Zia?
Zia, she's very naughty and she's also very talkative. She keeps on talking and talking, but we enjoyed a lot. I used to give her my PSP to play. I taught her games, of video games on sets, and sometimes when she used to have a little problem of dialogues or something, because she was very small at that time. I helped her, they had a shoulder shot of mine. I used to just say the lines.
तूने माँ को बताया तो नहीं ना?
मैं बोली ना मैं माँ को नहीं बताऊंगी तो मैंने नहीं बताया.
Alright, so you had a lot of fun with Zia, and what is Bum Bum Bole all about? And why is the title of the film Bum Bum Bole?
Bum Bum Bole, it's actually the title because he's in deep trouble in the film because he's dropped the shoe. He lost the shoe. He needs something to patav his sister. Like every child is like, I'll give this chocolate, you'll do this for me, na? And then to take her fully in your hand, you have to say something, right? So I speak Bum Bum Bole, God's line, yeah.
Okay, that's the God's line.
Yeah, Bum Bum Bole is God, na Shiva.
Oh, okay. From that, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a brief kind of quiz with you, okay? About your likes and dislikes in movies and stuff like that. Okay, what's your all-time favorite film apart from Tare Zameen Par?
Avatar.
Avatar. Okay, fantastic. Your all-time favorite actor?
Hrithik Roshan.
All-time favorite actress?
Kareena Kapoor.
All right. The movie star of the past that you really like?
Of the past, Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Any film of Amitabh Bachchan?
Sholay.
All right. And Diwar?
I've not seen Diwar.
You haven't seen Diwar. All right. You watch Hollywood films?
Yeah.
Your favorite Hollywood film?
Avatar.
Okay, apart from Avatar.
I like action movies because they've got really a nice bunch of computer graphics.
Okay, you like to do a 3D film at any point of time?
A nice script and a nice something like what I chose for Bum Bum Bole with my dad, something like that. I would definitely do a 3D film.
Okay, your favorite holiday destination?
Goa and Nasik.
Nasik, okay. All right, and I think even Panchgani must be a nice.
Yeah, Panchgani was nice, but actually don't like long time traveling something.
Oh, okay.
It's around 5.5 hours or something.
Right. Panchgani, I can understand that. I mean, it's the journey can be a bit of a tedious. Okay, your favorite food?
I like subs. I like pizzas, and sometimes I like sandwiches. I try out sandwiches.
Your favorite television show?
Television show. I like cartoons. Ben 10. On Disney, I like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Power Rangers, and Tom and Jerry is the all-time favorite. Like I'd grown up watching Tom and Jerry, and I'm still looking at the new versions.
Right. Okay. Your favorite sport? What do you like?
I like football and cricket.
You follow them?
Football, little cricket. Yeah, more than football.
Who's your favorite cricketer?
I like Sachin Tendulkar.
Favorite IPL team?
See, there are 3 teams I support. Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai Indians, and Rajasthan Royals. Only because it has Shane Warne.
Fantastic. I totally agree with him. I support Rajasthan only because of Shane Warne. Any of your favorite dialogue maybe from Tare Zameen Par?
I like Bindas the most.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Bindas.
Yeah. And from Bum Bum Bole, there's one more dialogue. The dialogue that I used to patafy my sister. Bum Bum Bole, Naag Baba Dole, Jo Jhoot Bole, Usi ko Kha Le. Naag Baba meaning Shiv, na?
Right.
So that's why it's Bum Bum Bole.
This summer, watch Darshil Safari after Tare Zameen Par. In Bum Bum Bole.